Apple officially unveiled the MacBook Neo on 4th March 2026. This is a brand new entry-level model designed to be the most affordable laptop in Apple's lineup, effectively sitting below the MacBook Air. The most unique aspect of the Neo is its processor. It is the first Mac to use an iPhone-class chip, A18 Pro, rather than the M-series chips found in the Air and Pro models. Feature details. Chip A18 Pro, 6-core CPU, 5-core GPU, 16-core neural engine. Display 13-inch Liquid Retina, 2408x1506 resolution, 500 nits brightness. Memory 8 GB unified memory, non-upgradable. Storage 256 GB or 512 GB SSD. Battery life up to 16 hours, video streaming. Design fanless aluminum chassis, weight 1.23 kilograms. Ports 2x USB-C, 1 USB 3, 1 USB 2, and a 3.5 mm headphone jack. Colors blush, indigo, silver, and citrus. Notable features and trade-offs. Apple Intelligence. Despite being a budget model, it fully supports macOS Tahoe features like writing tools and live translation thanks to the A18 Pro's neural engine. Trackpad and keyboard. The trackpad uses a physical click mechanism, not force touch, and the base keyboard is not backlit. Security. Touch ID is only included on the higher tier 512 GB model. Camera. It features a 1080p FaceTime HD camera rather than the 12MP center stage cameras found on more expensive Macs. Pricing and availability. The MacBook Neo is available for pre-order now and will officially ship on 11th March 2026. United States starts at $599, $499 for education. India starts at 69,900 rupees, 59,900 rupees for education. Your new Mac comes with so much more. Apple TV. 3 free months of original films and series. Apple Music. 3 free months of all your favorite songs all ad-free. Apple Arcade. 3 free months of incredibly fun, uninterrupted gameplay. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.